show you how easy it is to make a super simple tahini sauce. Absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Add some tahini to a bowl. Top with cayenne pepper, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and parsley flakes. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice, add a little maple syrup, then give it a whisk. I love using my little whisk, any chance I can get. Such a great little tool. Once it starts to come together, add in a little water and whisk it again. Keep adding water and whisking until you reach the perfect consistency for you. That's all there is to it. You can use this as a dressing on your salads, or you can top some steamed veggies with it, or really anything that you want to add tahini sauce to. It's totally up to you. Get creative and enjoy. I'll link to one of my favorite recipes to use this in the description for you. I hope you give this a try. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and have a great day.